Animating text in After Effects is simple and can add a lot of flair to your projects. I'll guide you through the process step by step, but before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, go ahead and create a new composition and add your text. Go to the top menu, click Layer, New, and Text. Type in your desired text into the composition panel. Use the character and paragraph panels to adjust the font, size, and alignment if needed. Next, expand the text layer in the timeline by clicking the small arrow next to its name. You'll see an Animate button appear next to the text layer properties. Click this button and choose an animation property such as position, opacity, or rotation to start animating your text. Let's animate the position as an example. After selecting position, a new animator section will appear under the text layer. Adjust the position values in the animator to set where you want the animation to start. For instance, you can move the text off screen or higher up in the frame. Now, to control the animation processes, click Add Selector Range Selector in the animation section. Adjust the start and end values in the range selector to determine which characters are affected by the animation over time. To animate the effect, set keyframes for the start or end value by clicking the stopwatch icon next to it. Move the playhead on the timeline and adjust the value. For example, setting the start value from 0 to 100% over time will make the text animate in, character by character. For advanced effects, you can add multiple animators to the same text layer. For instance, you can combine position, opacity, and scale to create a unique multi-property animation. Just repeat the process and adjust each animator independently. Finally, preview your animation by pressing the spacebar. If needed, refine the timing by dragging the keyframes on the timeline or using the graph editor for smooth motion. And that's it. You've now successfully animated text in After Effects. I hope this video has helped.